That's nice, bro. Hit it. Yup.
Another one. Huh? Packing the mail, it's gone. Shit like I smell cologne. Yeah.
All right, what's up? First off, I want to start off by saying, thank you for all 102 people that I've seen viewing my video last. I really appreciate all of y'all for taking y'all time out y'all day to watch that. So today's video, we're gonna do a little something different. I'm gonna go to a little local meet. Been hearing about it the last week or so I'm gonna go check it out. So of course we're gonna bring the Mero. Got the new tail lights on there still. Everything's still working just fine. Like I said, shout out to Auto Addict. Love them for that. Can't stop looking at them, So a little cold start. Yeah. So y'all probably can't hear me, so I'll see y'all at the meet. All right, y'all, we made it here. We got some stuff here. We got some stuff pulling off, some stuff pulling in. We out here though. Nice Beamer. There's everything out here though. I thought it was gonna be a certain type of group, but it's everything. It's pretty nice. See, all of these are slammed. Peep the red wheels though, I see it on bags. I like it. Some trucks out here, like his headlights. Yup. See it. Ben's about to run me over and stuff though. It's all good. Trucks. Got a couple of them bagged out here. I like this. I like the front of this one. That one's hard. It's cold out here, I'll tell y'all that. Q50. We got some stuff over there in the back. Everything out here. You got slicks on that? Man. Ooh, he bagged. I like it. Yeah, they out here, y'all. They for real out here. Color change of lights with neons on it. Big old truck. Sorry if I'm walking fast, y'all. I'm just telling y'all it is cold out here. Like the color. See? Here we go. This is nice right here. I like his wheels. Bagged out. Demonized. See what we got right here, y'all. I see him around a lot. He's nice. I like those wheels. Ooh, this is dope. Humble driven. Y'all see it. Black Panther. Rest in peace. Alright, give me a second, y'all. He's still popping, y'all. It's nice, bro. Hit it. Yup. Woo. They don't even care. They smoking out the spot, bro. Smoking out the spot. He looked like mine a little bit. I see him. I see him. He missing the stripes, but I see him. Y'all know how it is. It don't last forever, man. I'm surprised we ain't got shut down yet. But everybody pulling out, so might head out of here. It's enough action for the day. Woo. It's nice. I see the Mustang. Hopefully they don't hit nobody. Old school right here. Real Mustang. Ooh, look at the tires. see him. I see him. I see him. What's good? What's good? Ain't got the big tires on there though. You know? They're crazy. They're crazy. This is beautiful. I love the flames. Little Hondas. No hate, no hate. This what I like right here, baby. This what I like. I always like, this is the year I almost got, y'all. This is the year I almost got right here. Beautiful though. Yeah, they acting up over there. Yeah. Don't light it up. That's the real smoke monster right there. Get a close up on this one. Big wing. Y'all see the tire. Y'all see it. You and Skyline. He out here bagged. See if he gonna do something. What's up? Give him some more, give him some more. Okay. He tried it. He tried it, y'all. Tesla out here is quiet. Quiet Tesla. The Playboy stuff on him. Big old truck. cold out here. I know I said I was in the lead, but you seen they started acting up. Let me see if I can get these two for y'all. I'm out here freezing for y'all. So y'all better watch this, please. So we gonna do something. Oh, look at this.